Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today is Monday, March 3. March 3 everyone. So, eto foggy pa rin dito. The weather for today is foggy and 1 degrees. Kaya pala everyone. Kaya pala malamig din sa loob ng aking kwarto. Kasi hindi ako nagsasara ng lahat ng bintana. May naka-open na very very light. Kaya ayun lang. And then as usual 15 minutes walk. Start from the beginning of 1 week. And the beginning of first week of March. Ayun, see you later everyone after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus as usual. Meron akong kaibigan naglalakad na. Di ba? Kaya ang OOTD of the day, as usual, ang mahiwagang panlamig ni Charito, everyone. See you, bye-bye. Kain everyone for the breakfast today. Magtabi tayo ng gamit everyone. Time check, 9:20 everyone. Ayan, dito na ako. Oh, hindi. 9:42. 9:42 na pala. Ayan everyone, nag-train kasi ako, kaya maaga. And then walang daan-daan kung saan-saan. Straight going home. So, ayan ang ano ko, ang sulok ng tindi. Ayan everyone. Grabe ang araw sikat. Pero malamig pa rin ang panahon. So, ayan lang. Ayan ang araw. Sulok ako. Sakit. Ayan everyone. Tawid tayo sa maliit na pedestrian. Ayan. At init ng araw. Grabe. Yung masulo lang siya pero hindi naman mainit. Yeah, see you when I get home. When I'm in my cage, everyone. Laundry time, everyone. While cooking kanin. Kasi may sinigang pa. Pilipinas Got Talent. Kain tayo for lunch while big mainit sa ganda, super. Ang sarap magsampay pero malamig. Time check everyone, 15:45. Going to work for the afternoon. So, this is my update ng araw. Pero, malamig. Yan. Ganda ng araw, diba? Pero malamig everyone. See you later after 2 trains. There, everyone! The Jubilee Line. It's 54. My second train, everyone. Let's go at Algate. Time check. 16:34. Dito na ako sa job site, everyone. I am here already at the job site. So, late ako. Not really. Ayan, good evening everyone. May buwan, no? Quarter o half moon. Ayan. Dito na ako, everyone. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. During work and after work. Kasi maraming mga nangyari. Kaya, ayan. Dito na lang tayo at malapit na ako sa bahay, everyone. Malamig ngayon. Negative 2 na naman. So, ayun. Super as in super. Bye-bye. Good evening, everyone. I'm here already sa bahay ko. Ay, hindi pala bahay ko to. Sa kwarto ko. Oh, yun. Everyone. Kayo. While watching YouTube. Kain tayo, everyone. Good night, God bless, and I love you all.